Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our final presentation for foreign language teaching strategies. Today, our group is going to share an extensive analysis of the importance of creative teachings in foreign language learning. As we all know, introducing and learning a brand new language can be highly challenging for both educators and students. In many traditional classrooms, many students feel bored, exhausted, and extremely frustrated when everyday lesson focus solely on memorizing long vocabulary lists, translating text line by line, or working through mechanical grammar. So when students are exposed to this kind of monotony, they may quickly lose their confidence, their patience, and their ultimate learning motivation. This is exactly why implementing creative teachings is absolutely essential in modern classroom. Creative techniques help transform the learning environment, making language acquisition far more enjoyable, deeply meaningful, and academically effective. Instead of forcing students to memorize isolated words, creative teachers allow students to actually engage and interact with the target language in contextualized real-world situation rather than just filling out static worksheet exercise. In this video presentation, we will outline practical student-centered strategy. They are specifically designed to maximize classroom participation, lower learning anxiety, and build sustainable communicative competencies. Our presentation is structured into three main pillars. First, we will discuss utilizing interactive games. Second, we will explain how songs and stories provide rich, comprehensive input. And third, we will explore integrating real-life simulation tasks. To deep dive into our very first core pillar, I will pass the microphone to my friend Salvia.
Thank you so much, Adila, for the wonderful opening. Now let us move on to our first core strategy, utilizing games and interactive activities within the classroom. This particular approach heavily aligns with the well-known communicative language teaching, CLT framework. In CLT, classroom interactive games are not just icebreakers or time killers. They are powerful pedagogical tools that shift the classroom dynamic to be completely student-centered. When students play games, they are naturally driven to internalize vocabulary, practice syntax, and use grammar structure spontaneously without the constant fear of making mistakes. In psychological terms, this drastically reduces their effective filter, meaning it lowers their language anxiety, breaks down mental block, and increases their overall willingness to communicate. For example, rather than doing standard drilling, teachers can easily implement structured communicative tasks such as vocabulary bingo, collaborative word puzzle, or the classic find someone who activity. In a find someone who task, students are required to stand up, move around the classroom, and ask structured quizzes to various peers, directly sharpening their active speaking fluency and interpersonal communication skill, while reinforcing target grammatical patterns. However, to ensure that these activities are genuinely productive, teachers must align every single game with the specific lesson objectives. To make it even more relevant for today's generation, we can integrate modern educational technology platforms such as quizzes or wordwell. This brings an exciting element of gamification, intense feedback, and healthy competition into the lesson. Furthermore, managing a lively student-centered game requires an educator to deliver explicit step-by-step classroom instruction to avoid chaos. Instead of giving vague direction, a teacher should explicitly use sequential signaling verbs. Let me show you a direct example of how a teacher should properly instruct a classroom. Class, attention please, is on me and listen carefully. First, you will work in teams of 4 with your raw patterns. Second, please take out your smartphone and log in to our collaborative virtual game using the access code on the whiteboard. Third, you will have exactly 3 minutes to match the action verb with the correct pictures. The teams with the highest accuracy and fastest time wins the round. Are there any questions before we begin? Alright, ready, steady, go! By delivering structured interaction like this, teachers can maintain strong classroom management while ensuring that students stay fully focused on the language objective. Now, Jasmine will take us through our next set of strategies involving songs and stories.
Thank you, Safia, for that excellent explanation on classroom management and games. Moving on to our next comprehensive strategy, the strategic utilization of songs and short stories as authentic language researches. This method strongly supports Stephen Carlson's foundational theory of comprehensible input, which states that language acquisition happens most effectively when learners are exposed to messages that are meaningful, natural, and easily understood within a contextual framework. Songs are exceptionally powerful tools for developing a student's listening comprehension, correcting pronunciation errors, mastering natural speech rhythm, and naturally expanding vocabulary. When students sing along to correct target songs, they absorb complete lexical chunks, idiomatic expressions, and phrasal verbs effortlessly, without needing to analyze rigid grammar charts. In addition to songs, stories provide an authentic narrative framework that sparks imagination. To maximize the impact of storytelling and develop narrative frameworks skills simultaneously, readers should avoid passive reading. Instead, we can design communicative follow-up packs such as asking students to retell the story in their own words, echo out key scenes in pairs, or even write an entirely new creative ending. This integrative approach seamlessly blends reading, listening, writing, and speaking into one cohesive learning experience. Our third strategy focuses on creating real-life simulations, which serves as a core pillars of task-based language learning. In a TBLL setting, language is treated as a functional tool to complete specific tasks. By simulating everyday life situations such as ordering food in a restaurant, asking for direction in an unfamiliar city, or organizing a marketing simulation right inside the classroom, we successfully guide students to produce immediate, practical language output. Take a market simulation as a prime example. Students take roles as buyers and sellers, practicing real-life bargaining strategies, handling expressions of currency, and demonstrating appropriate. This makes the classroom experience profoundly relevant, memorable, and useful, allowing students to build genuine pragmatic competence. As a result, they feel fully confident using English outside the school because they have already practiced it in a realistic setting. Now I will return the presentation back to Adila.
For summarizing these brilliant communicative strategies to tie everything together, let us look at the big picture and synthesize our main conclusions. Creative teaching is absolutely not about throwing away or replacing current grammar rules and vocabulary acquisition. Rather, is about delivering those critical linguistic elements through engaging, evidence-based, and pedagogically sound methods. Contemporary research in language pedagogy heavily emphasizes that students learn more effectively when we create a perfect synergy between meaningful inputs such as song and stories. Com- Communicative language output like interactive games and real-life task simulations. When we, as future educators, shift our teaching philosophy from traditional teacher center memorization to active student center experiential learning. Foreign language acquisitions become a natural, exciting, and highly empowering journey for every single student in the classroom. That brings us to the formal conclusion of our presentation today. We sincerely hope that the strategies, technology, platform, and instructional method we discussed can provide useful, actionable, and inspiring idea for your future language classroom. Let us commit to inspiring our future students and make foreign language learning as a fun, creative, and truly meaningful experience every single day. Thank you very much for your valuable time and your kind attention today. Have a wonderful and productive day, and goodbye.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala